If you are looking to start weightlifting, you are just wanting to take your training to the next level, you need to invest in some good weightlifting shoes. There are a lot of different weightlifting shoes on the market, and it can be tough to decide which ones to buy. Just like running shoes come in all shapes and sizes, weightlifting shoes have their own specialists and styles. In this video, I will tell the top 5 best weightlifting shoes for women that got thousands of positive reviews on Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. Inov-8 Fastlift 360 weightlifting shoes. The Inov-8 Fastlift 360 is a shoe designed with gym shoe goers in mind. It offers features that make it beneficial while you are working out, such as stability and support. Additionally, the shoes have been designed to work well with other fitness equipment, such as weight machines and cardio machines. The Inov-8 Fastlift 360 is one of the lightest shoes on the market. Weighing is just 360 grams. This market makes it perfect for lighter weightlifting routines. The Fastlift 360 is designed to be lightweight and breathable, making it perfect for running. This shoe is made with durable materials that will help keep you safe and comfortable when working out. The Lift 360 shoes are designed to provide stability while training, making them versatile for most styles and workouts. They are also low-heeled and well-suited for runs or other aerobic activities. Number 4. Under Armour Women's Charged Aurora 2 Cross Trainer. The Under Armour Charged Aurora 2s are a great workout accessory for both beginners and experienced gym goers. They provide adequate support for activities such as lifting, running, and cross-training. Additionally, their design was made with affordability in mind, making them an excellent value for your money. The 360 degree of breathability allows you to wear the shoes in any direction. The great flexibility ensures that you will be able to move and dance in them comfortably. They are also perfect for feet because they have a lot of stretch. Cross-training shoes are designed to help you train in the way that is most effective for your needs. They have a reinforcement in the middle of the foot that keeps it stable and prevents it from moving sideways or backwards. This not only makes cross-training more durable, but also allows you to do whatever exercises you want without restrictions. Number 3. Reebok Nano X2. CrossFit athletes who are looking for shoes that offer breathability and support should consider the Reebok Nano X2. These shoes are specifically designed with CrossFit in mind, providing a supportive and sturdy platform while allowing athletes to move quickly and freely. The Reebok Nano X2 is a great weightlifting tool because it's stable and responsive. It's perfect for CrossFit workouts too, because you can do short bursts of activity without having to worry about it falling apart. The Reebok Nano X2 is a shoe that's designed for stability and grip when lifting weights. It features a reinforced midfoot and durable rubber outsole, making it ideal for any workout. If you are looking for a shoe that can be used for a variety of physical activities, these are a good option. They have a variety of tread designed to support different types of activities, and they are water resistant. Number 2. Otomix Women's Stingray Escape. The Otomix Women's Stingray Escape weightlifting shoes provide additional ankle support during heavy exercises. They are made of leather and synthetic materials, which makes them both durable and comfortable. These shoes are perfect for bodybuilders and fighters who need stability while working out. They have a grippy rubber sole that will help you stay on your foot. The Otomix Women's Stingray Escape weightlifting shoes are made with lightweight materials and provide a full range of motion. The bright, vibrant color will help you stand out in the gym or on the street. Elevating the heel on the toolbox of your shoes can help you perform squat and other bodybuilding exercises more effectively. This will help you improve your strength, agility, and balance. If you are not interested in powerlifting, the Otomix Stingray Escape shoes would be a good option. Number 1. Nike Metcon 7. The shoes just perform admirable in some ways, shape, or form in just about every category we test. This is the case with the Metcon and weightlifting shoes for women as well. A great light shoe with a grippy sole and a new more breathable upper. Also a sleek stylish design leads to this being a surprising champion in the world of female weightlifting training. As we noted above, this is a shoe for gym work, weight training, and CrossFit. but not an Olympic weightlifting shoe. They are a great place to start if you want to add powerlifting or other heavy lifts to your workout but aren't ready to invest in dedicated lifting shoes just yet. These shoes are impressive with a stylish upper, minimalist styling, and impressive stability and comfort. The Nike's Metcon 7 surpassed expectations and work fine both in and out of the gym.